In today's video, I will tell you how to delete your Tinder account. If you are facing problem in deleting your Tinder account, then I will tell you some of the ways by using which you can delete your Tinder account. So first of all, open your Tinder app and go to your profile. On your profile, you can see on the top right side there is a setting icon. Click on the setting icon and scroll down at the bottom. Now at the bottom you can see there are two options: delete your account and log out. Simply click on delete account. When you click on delete your account, you will see two options: either to pause your account or to delete your account. So to delete your Tinder account, you have to click on delete option. Once you click on delete option, your Tinder account will be deleted. If it's not deleting and facing any problem, then some of the ways you can try: first of all, log out to your account and again log in and try to delete your account. The second one is go to your mobile setting and clear cache and data for your Tinder app. And the third one is to contact your custom support and ask them to delete your account if you are facing any problem in deleting your account. So these are the three ways.